Experience the frustration of being undervalued and overlooked, pouring effort into endeavors yet feeling like a mere shadow within your own skin. The plea for recognition may fall on deaf ears, a tale all too common, but it doesn't have to define your narrative. Picture entering a room where the atmosphere shifts upon your arrival, commanding respect, and your contributions are immediately acknowledged. Seeking your opinions becomes a norm, and your attention is actively sought. This isn't wishful thinking. It's the outcome of mastering ancient arts steeped in Stoic wisdom. Today, you're on the brink of discovering 7 potent psychological strategies that have withstood the test of time. They're not mere techniques. They embody a transformative process, a shift in mindset that commences with how you perceive yourself and radiates outward. This is beyond a fleeting moment of attention. It's about establishing a formidable presence that endures, making a lasting impact well beyond the initial interaction. Let's delve into the first strategy. Learn to be rare. This concept revolves around recognizing that scarcity often heightens perceived value. It's not about withdrawing or becoming inaccessible, but understanding the power of controlled availability. Engaging in pursuits that stimulate your mind and nurture your soul naturally limits your availability. It's a purposeful allocation of time and energy toward endeavors holding personal significance. This measured approach commands attention and appreciation. Consistent presence and ready availability risk fading into the background, easily overlooked. However, by selectively participating and ensuring engagements are meaningful and purposeful, you become a focal point, capturing the attention and respect of those around you. Emphasize that this isn't about creating mystery for its own sake or isolation, but a deliberate choice aligning with your values, bringing a more substantial presence to each interaction. Moving on to the second strategy. Become your most authentic self. This approach champions the power of authenticity as the driving force in your life. Engage wholeheartedly in activities resonating with your true self. Authenticity makes you a genuine source of inspiration for others, empowering you to define your narrative and shape your unique journey. Embracing authenticity cultivates deeper, more meaningful relationships, fostering an environment of mutual respect and support. The third strategy is to learn to step back. This embodies self-respect and self-prioritization, recognizing your boundaries and having the courage to step back from situations, relationships, or endeavors misaligned with your well-being or values. This isn't an endorsement of hasty decisions, but a thoughtful approach to assess if a situation serves your best interests. Stepping back is a powerful declaration of your worth, a deliberate choice not bound by a single outcome. It reclaims agency over your life, directing resources toward endeavors aligning with your values and goals. The fourth strategy is the art of silence, emphasizing the impact of thoughtful communication. Withholding immediate contact or initiating conversation creates space for others to step forward. It's about finding a balance between approachability and respecting your own time. Silence in this context isn't about being distant, but understanding the power of intentional pauses, allowing for reflection, deeper understanding, and connection to unfold. Embracing silence encourages more intentional conversations, considering timing and content for meaningful connections. Strategy number 5 is to command your space. This involves assertiveness, speaking up when you have something valuable to offer, and not shying away from leadership when necessary. Assertiveness isn't ego-driven, but rooted in the belief in the value you bring. It sets the stage for others to recognize and appreciate your contributions, fostering an environment where your efforts are acknowledged and celebrated. Commanding your space is a practice in self-advocacy and self-respect, choosing environments aligned with your values. The sixth strategy is to create your own happiness, centered around the concept of self-sufficiency. True contentment is an internal state, not solely derived from external circumstances or validation. By embracing self-discovery and self-appreciation, identifying elements that bring genuine joy, you cultivate inner fulfillment unaffected by external fluctuations. This approach instills self-reliance and resilience, allowing you to navigate life with a steady inner compass. Finally, strategy number 7 is to embrace continuous growth and learning. This emphasizes ongoing self-improvement, viewing life as a journey of growth. Every experience, success, or setback is an opportunity to learn and evolve. Actively seeking new knowledge, skills, and experiences enriches your understanding of the world and enhances your ability to contribute meaningfully. Embodying a growth mindset inspires others to do the same, reflecting a commitment to personal excellence. In conclusion, these 7 concepts are not about manipulation, but reflections of strength. You are the architect of your worth. By embracing these steps, you present yourself as a person of substance, balancing kindness with self-respect, availability with self-importance, and investment with self-preservation. As you embark on this path, do so with mindfulness and integrity.